Hey girl, everybody, you know it's a girl Timar. I don't know what I go on. Me I look at Mr. Go on the road. As you know, I'm a turn babysitter now. So I told a job me have to do. And the last time I checked, my last child is 14. But as you know, I'm always ready to do a good deed. So our mother get a job and I have to just assist her. And all the person that texts me about the baby seat belt, there's a seat belt in the back of my van. And sit here. So I'm here for a lucky tuner, right? So thank you for your concern. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to make sure I fasten her seat belt on her. All right? Thank you. There is a seat belt. All I needed to do was just fasten it. Go over, Mama. Go on over. So I'm going to fasten her seat belt and make sure she's well buttoned down. So, as they say, everybody watch me. God, me simple say something and this girl crash out on the media over TikTok. When she over TikTok attack how much things she do and how she not second down with one man and she not this and she not that. And me just use her as a perfect example how Jamaican woman them stay. And the lady crash out say she give me 40 days and 40 nights. You understand me? When I notice with some people, them talk some things in the media, and when you say, yeah, so what that I go on, for what I go on, them get vexed and them want cuss and them want go on the most way. In which them the members say, them did go in the media and talk, you know. Them I go say, yeah, try bring them down, yeah, this, yeah, that. But through me used to it, to me, I realize a lot of broken people are here and them act like them heal and them strong and whatever and this and that. Lie. Now the girl I go say, sorry mama. The girl I go say, me, I kept my lifestyle and me. See there, no look. See, me a buckle her down. See the seat belt? See it? Look, no look and see. So the seat belt is fastened because by right it didn't. So I'm here to do I fasten it. Let me lock it. Alright. See her there? The body should fasten in the seat belt. See there? Alright? So she in the seat belt. So when I see, I put her in the seat belt. I'm gonna fasten her down round at the back there. So when you see me I listen to now, I'm appreciate the concern. I not bash nobody. I not go like say I'm better than fair take correction. You understand me? Because I am very surprised the way the girl go on TikTok and my pass and me have to get me pass and me go like me and somebody this morning one of my friend in England. Najika big up herself, no my friend, my sister. Link me and she asked me if I know such and such person. Me like, yeah, she crash out in the media. I know she crash out and a BF suffer. And I call her son. Come on now, girl, we're big people. You understand me? I say a big woman. So me not understand what is going on. You go say me a try live like you. Me a living in your shadow. You married? A man never buy a vehicle yet? A man never give a piece of land yet? Circle on your ex them and make them give you a land type mama. Cause you got nothing to your name but just clothes and boot. And the house arima where you kill me for. I fear I hear one and she dead for how long and the thing about it is that people don't know. I'm not free for calling him cute boss. Sandrine aka Angel, aka Cute Boss from Trenchtown Rima. Same as you call my name, I go call back here one to a say go may do have a clash. But I'm just setting the record straight. Now, from me know you Cute Boss, I saw you stay. You ever try to tear down people, that's your dilemma. That is who you are, and I'm going to send this to your son. Because him not lie me, I tell that so when I call him, say, Mommy, you want to come mix up. No. So whatever the situation may be, every woman have sex. Some just have some more that just have some more sex than some. But you can't tell nobody say me you go back road. You can't tell nobody say me go back road. You understand me? Now, this thing about fuck and fuck and fuck and fuck. Mama from nowhere say yesterday, say don't a Rima, you rich but don't a Rima. Me dead, you don't go funeral, but you reach a Rima back, don't it? Don't at the house, you and her share together. We you and her a friend from years. And you write her off and rub her out on the same TikTok there. Remember a long time you do this to people. Remember you take a piece of set pan bottle. You take a piece of set pan Rachel's sister. And so till Rachel run up in you and you rub out Rachel. So me not understand why you feel like this is gonna be something new to me. No, I say you stay, girl. Don't know you on the media. Me know you. I say you stay. This is not nothing new for you. And I like you say, oh me I disrespect you and you answer me. No, this is just who you are. This is and then you say, oh woman empowerment. When? Which woman you ever empower? Eh? There's no woman where me know where you do something good for them come out good. Only thing you want woman do come here come catch for you use it, take it, tell them. Remember good. If you give somebody something, you use it, you sit down and chat them. Are you that woman? And then the whole audacity about the whole situation is you call poor papi like you want me eat papi. You couldn't make me eat papi. Remember me know you. See me when me live upstairs, you tell papi say me your enemy. I never know me your enemy. Me never know. And you tell papi say him not for come up there and stop Papa from come up there. Remember good. Everybody are your enemy. This is me not understand. Every friend you have always your enemy, always grudge you and bad mind you for something. You're there with your baby father, the last one for 7 years. Don't go think you left with just pitney. Now you're in your 30s, because you're born 87, I'm born 86, you're going to say me older than you. I don't understand what you're saying. I still try to figure it out, but I don't try to figure it out and I come over here and figure out my own life. See this? It's called progress. I can't stuck in my past like you. I have to build my future and live in my presence. So, mama, get with the program and come out of the past. You can't go for the fuck them when we left them in the past. And you can't do anything about it. Nobody can. So cuss me and tell me say, I stop working at hot boiling sun. Cuss me and tell me say, my husband love me. Cuss me and tell me say, me have 2 nationality. That's why you have to cuss me and tell me say. Cuss me and tell me say, I go Antigua school, I go back to school at Jamaica and I come here so come go school too. And that if you cuss me and tell me. You can't cuss me about fuck, every woman fuck. Whether we fuck for free or fuck for money, we still fuck. So me don't know what in that so big like she did a fuck. She a fuck. Shut up, boy. You know for have one man. Cause you sit down and preach to the young girls themselves for have more than one man. And you say you're a termite, and you say you're a queen termite. So when me say for bring you down, this is what I don't understand, cause I'll be like, what? Come on now, angel. And I talk about dash rebellion. No, come to think, I'm like have my vehicle. Make hold on the antique. Can I get 10 minutes out of my time? Can I say whenever I got adjusting about yeah. Now are you have the audacity to talk about belly sex and very blah blah? I cannot go in a year past to find out how much money I have sex because that's not my prerogative. Like I got so much things to do. I cannot really forget say you take 10 man. That's not me. And I never come on the media for do that because me not careless. You understand me? But Lord Jesus, watch old girl left for murdering. Murder! Jesus! People me left my murdering. I go upstairs to my murdering. You're crazy for my husband. Say, what the hell? Oh, you not have a ring. So make me run go for my ring. Look how me never come out of the house left me nice. When the ring of my husband could come my finger. Yeah. No. Come to even think of the situation. To me I talk about my ring, it kind of just slip up. So yeah. Now you're gonna come talk about my baby father are the only man who ever loved me. You know what is love? Eh? You know what is love? More ask you a question. What is your definition of love? Huh? If you don't spin, if you don't see me kind of turn the camera on, it's the clothes from my bed. It's because I'm going to take the clothes off from my bed. Understand? And guess what? I'm not black off the light in the bathroom. You understand me? Oh, sorry. Before me, I'll get a different tripod. So I'm going for my wedding ring. Put it on my finger. Cause remember, I am legally owned. Them say me I live in a them shadow. But them not married. Them not get piece of land from one man. But them say me I live in a them shadow. Me not understand. Them left and them going to one different country and them never make a difference. Them come back out the same way. I end up back in the same dirty community where them write off and say the community is a small garden of bitter wheat. Remember you always say that about me, man. Remember, you know? And when me did that say to me, me say, Mimi, come travel right. No, them frightened Friday, me not frightened Friday. So till you end up going to Cayman. Cayman don't have so much money. And you come back a dirty Rima. Pan life every morning. I trust people for a reason. Boy, your life sad, man. Mama, your life sad. You're not even a content creator. You just step on the media. I talk about fuck a man and fuck a man. You're not tired. I go up on the road. Watch me all want to get my nails. Me out link here now. But me just want to say I'll go 2 cents since goodie. Goodie, progress. Please, a long time I tell you. You can't tear me down. I God build me. So if you tear me down. So you're saying that the Holy Spirit this and your cleanse, spiritual cleanse, and this is how you behave? Which God you serve? Because sometimes I wonder if someone alright. Which God you serve? Because the God you serve is give you a spirit of confusion and sadness and like you call your son, why didn't you talk on the media say your friend come there, come molest your child and I'm sleep and him tell you and you did nothing about it? Why you never talk about that on the media? You go say him have hormone imbalance. So female can take medication pill for get more testosterone so them can have man feelings, man gender, man muscles and so. So why you couldn't give him that? So it balance hormone where the female go down and the male come up. You have medication for that, you know, you have, yes, film testosterone, so me not understand. But yet still, you come on the media, but you have to come to a doctor, go to surgery when you too lie. Tell the people them what happened to Papi and tell them say you as a mother were so careless that they molest him under your care and you did nothing about it. That's why I'm run across the border. Him run across the border come and run from you. That is the reason why him run across the border. And you still be a demons in him life. You're the on the media, just have him name and spread all about. Me Patty man son, you're so proud to say that your son is living a gay life. Alright, nothing wrong with that. People are going to talk about it, but why is it that you have to come out there and be a pig and parasite and pestilent in that little youth life? And that's why I'm come talking because you call youth and you never even know say you have him on a life. I saw you walk around and set up people life with them out. But as I'm tell my husband, I know you. Like there's nothing that you're doing surprise me. Because I saw you stay. But the fact that you're so evil to your own child. You are so evil to a youth them that you couldn't even know that they're adults. You respect them. You don't respect yourself. You don't respect your children. And you are a disgrace to yourself. And I say, me I bring you down. Oh, me I bring you down. I never meet up on the media go talk and remember say you were on Jeffrey's podcast and you were also on Two Locks and you were proudly queen of termite. Remember? But now you want to come say me I bring you down. I saw on the stay when somebody give another mirror to look into. I'm not trusting you, miss. I'm just highlighting some points. You saw me I sweat? Make a turn on my vehicle there. Hey, good afternoon. Shipman, talk and Jaja. You don't know the thing go. My day up and in the day I'm reaching a belly city with my French guy in Atlanta. Man. So they don't have me a look one tree. You get to me I say? Yeah, so as some of that said before, you can't depend on the media tell me the best man me ever get and the only man who love me because I don't know who tell you that. But speak for yourself and you can't talk about man or love because you have never experienced love. You understand? Just imagine somebody who never experienced love and come tell you what are the best you ever get. Just imagine that. Somebody who have never experienced love, you know, I'm gonna look at you and tell you, say, the man will literally never do anything for you. The man will never yet take him money and buy you a nice vehicle. The man will never ever ever do anything for you more than one 1996 Sunny Nissan trip on the media talk about. One 1996 Sunny Nissan. If you lick it, you buy it. If you lick it, you buy it. If you lick it, you buy it. So we can get all of the front end. You understand? You understand? Yeah. The only man me ever take will make sure say me good 100%. I live up in another country and my nationality done. Everything for me. No girl can step to me when I want to depend on the media cuss and attack on right after friend, right after friend. When I depend on the media and I crash out on the media. When I chat on the pitney them, when I chat on self, when I chat on a friend and then expect to say me must feel away when I depend on the media attack about me. Listen, I left Jamaica from 2019. I remember I give you a little story. Oh, you say friends. Be careful of the people when you not talk about friends. Because then everybody will laugh with you and everybody will like you. And some people believe that through them have more things than you and through them may got a couple links more than you that make them better than you. Now, as I'm tired of tell people every single day, me is a girl live in my truth. Me hear people talk some living in them truth, but if you live in your truth, when you go up on the media go talk say you're a queen termite, you are this, you are that. If you fuck a man, right, and you tell him friend them say your pussy good, and the friend them come to you go fuck that friend there. So I just not understand the multiplication of your maths. Because you were in the media and you just so rare, you this say that you talk a whole heap of things. Then now me simply agree with what you said. You're going to crash out in the media. Hey baby, what's up? You crash out in the media and you had 40 days of bringing me down. Or if you bring me down when God build me up. You know see what God do? God make sure move me from out of Jamaica. I couldn't even get a good man in a Jamaica. And the thing about it is, you know what, when I sit down and I say, you're going to say, man and me, bad mind you, and me I live in your shadow. Girl, you ever married yet? You ever went back to school yet? When you drop out of school? So, me not understand. But the last time me check, I am Mrs. And the last time me check, I come out this country, I'm going to school. I can show you my papers, because I want to with me. Wagwan! Wagwan! Maya crash! Yeah. No, yes, somebody over bellies and a fake it and me I live in a shadow and me I this and me I that. I don't want to copyright to this music. I'm just walking, going about my business. I make sure come out because me don't want YouTube go say them want this and what them I look through. I do not own the copyright to this music. So I can make sure move because I can put up my video and put it up in a piece. So YouTube, me not own the copyright, I'm just videoing and I try to come out of the sun and yeah, so I'm come right to some. Anyways, now being around some people when I'm much younger, them have more than me at the time. You understand me? And you know when I see them pretty here and them this and them that, you and yourself believe say them better than you. Me born 1986, them born 1987. So them young, them in them hairstyle, them they're every party, them this and them that. We always sit on a roadside. These are the type of people me I tell you about who want come tell me Say me and them are the same thing. Them sitting on roadside, same as how them dep on TikTok. I saw them sitting on roadside from daylight until sundown. You understand me? All them do is tear down people. I say tear, mommy, tear down. I'm always say, no, so this is not my crowd. Now I'm giving a little story. Now, 2018, my son and father did end up by one house. And I buried 100%. In buy it, which is I was going to buy the house, but made away from my partner draw. Right? Blessings, blessings. Now away from my partner draw. The lady said she give me the house for 400,000. However, I never had the 400,000. Two other persons go to her with half of the money. She said she nah let go the house until she get all of the money one time. So I'm like, alright then. So I sit down on the bridge, right on Calisimic Drive, and my baby father, my son and father drive up. So same time I said to her, I say, see my son and father, and so she say, yeah, go to him. I said, me? And when because me and him never talk at the time. However, I said to her, I say, you go to him now? And she said, if you go to him, I say, yeah man, just go to him and tell him, say, I sell the house and your baby mother have a portion of the money. She asked if I make her look. I know him will do it, but him will bust liberty first. Anyways, she get up and she go to him. And she go to him and she say to him like, ask her how much money she have, and I say what mess I say me have 200,000, which is that 200,000 that I want me didn't want to use open a business of a papi and papa the upstairs of the plaza. So me I like alright then. When she got to him and him say, tell her say if she have half fight him will put half. At the time he just a come off for one tour with Damien and Marley. And me like alright then. I want the house because I need my own space. Whatever the situation may be, hi darling. So when I said that, he said alright. Anyway, I give him the money, him pay for the house, him have the title, him have everything. Now she the person where the pandemic that crash out and attack a bag of things and fuck which man are the best man. She live downstairs. Me and her did good, you know, like really good. Like genuinely I thought that we were good. This at 2018. From moving at the house, I realized that I talk to her and she not answer me. Like when I come there and you know, there's just this tension. So me like, oh shit, I want to go on. Anyways, with our another girl when named Mimi. Mimi ended up dead in America and she died of a heart attack. Listen, that's one different story. She right off Mimi on the media. So that's why I tell you, say I'm going to put this on TikTok and tag her in it. Remember, you right off Mimi on the media, and yeah, Mimi I come from about 10, 11, and you never got Mimi funeral. So when people see up on the media, tomorrow to their bellies are them not know you, but me know you. I mean, I saw you stay. You make up story, you fabricate a lie, and you tell yourself say somebody else has said delusional, but you know say you live in a delusional world. Because at the end of the day, your baby father was with you for 7 years and he have left and migrate going to Canada, America, wherever he want to go. Because he have people who are politicians and them could help. You want him to get the visa or to go make life because you're not depend that. You do not see a bright future. You only know about the past. And that's where you live. Only thing you talk about is sex, fuck. Who fuck me, fuck she, fuck how much man me fuck. We just start selling. That's all it up on TikTok every day, non-stop. But that's what TikTok make up offer and that's what make TikTok. So once you do that, you will get people and trust me, you're going to get 5,000 people, hundreds of people because of that them love and of that Jamaica make up offer. Anyways, what's up and when we get the house, I say alright then we're good. The I never know so the girl see me as her enemy. The girl tell her kids them not to talk to me. She tell her friend not to talk to me and them still talk to me and one day me a shock us. Papi, your friend my enemy. Your friend my enemy. I am enemy, a friend of me. You love your mother, you hate your mother. I never know, like I genuinely didn't know. So the girl hate me just because the man buy me the piece of old house. Anyways, said and done. Now the whole of we did them. My house ever full of picnic. Big up Smack. Smack ever up on my house him dead 2018 or 2019. I think early 2019. January or something like that. Anyway, so we got some back now and she beat the little boy and said that and me like I want one. Alright. We go stop up on the local youth. Him stop go there. One day I see my man say, what your mother talk about? Say, me or your enemy or whatever. He must say, we not for come upstairs because you are our enemy. No one knows see Shaka Papi. We never know say me was our enemy. You understand me? That's why when she asked Papi and Papi I said, no, we didn't. Papi know me. When she said my house has room for her to apply with me, I wonder what she talk because my house ever full of be a picnic. Papi, Smack, our nephew, everybody. I mean, it's that type of person. You can even ask my husband right now. Me are that type of person. Now, when we go stop and she said that, me no bother pay it no mind. Me just stay in my house. With the picnic them will come up there. Everybody will just know say I eat that. Anyway, no man problem if you move on in up here. No darling, dear, me not have man problem. I'm married. No man, me not have man problem. My husband love me bad. Anyway, what I'm gonna say about no one. We never talk from 2018. No, 2018, yeah, 2018 we never talk. I apologize for 2018. 2018. 2019 January me I get ready for going. People, did you know that this lady, she boots Mimi to fight me to that to them? Now one day I go deal with some documents and go town of a Papi and come back down. I see a bag of police on the yard. One bag of excitement. So me just come big mad and dark I wonder what go on. She and my two daughters them and Mimi Black Road. You know say when I go on, police come and inspector and everything them want to know what the parents of the two little girl them come my daughter them but no foot especially Darian. She not care, she leg her mouth, she just no business. Yes, bless my friend. Anyways, what's about no one? I'm come and say me and the mother would have been something come up at the station, She and Mimi up there and them the them attack how much. Me make the pity them now the manners to them, me make the pity them run water down in the house. Me like, what go on? Me not understand. This whole thing shocked me. Hear what them say, them want me and them for fight so them can carry me to court and take on my plane fare money. I was like, what? When me hear them say that, she and Mimi say it out of their mouth, I said, oh God. So all of this is to stop me from fly out? I never know, seriously. So I've never fly out the 7th of February. I'm never go back Arima from that. I'm left Antigua, I'm go Antigua the 7th of February. I'm come back September, I'm still never go Arima. I try my best to stay far as the east from the west of them because I realize these are the type of people who not gonna wait in a life and them don't want you to go. That's the type of people I did associate myself with. When we were friends, I would sit up on Roadside and chat people. And same thing what she do to me, she do it to other people. And I always laugh and say, stop man. It's just disgusting and it is real factual. That is the reason I end up start drawing from them. All them is about is fuck, money and tear down people. So she tearing me down is nothing new. As so much she use, as so much she love. She feed off of that energy. The one baby. Is that energy, hi baby? Is that energy what she feed off of? That's why it's easy for she get up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, 40 days and do it. I'm not answer because she never type up my name and who versus who. No, miss. Yeah, you gotta depend that. Personally, I'm not that type of person. I'm demure. I'm driving. But look that somebody there. No. I'm a title, I'm a business owner. Business. Go on my media platform and see it. I'm owned by a man and I own the man. I want to love a man and I want a man to love me. Remember yesterday you know do them something so all the time the same thing. I don't understand how girl I would never dare call my child. You remember? Wake up you're there for your drop asleep. You're crazy the way I respect my two people them right now who turn adult. My 3 kids, because my son is 19, I would never dare do that. Never. And put them on no life. You're crazy. Now, what if he was saying something private to you? What if he was trying to say something private to you? You spread it to the whole world. That's the type of person you are. You're not for set up people and cost people life because you have no integrity, you have no morals, and that's what I'm looking out against. We need to stop that. I know I will never do that. I give up on myself, It's a girl Timar about my street and a story time. Baby girl, if you're not drive and if you're not buy land, if you're not doing pussy, you're talking to me. And I'm definitely gonna post this on TikTok. I just might look back to that video, them video that we put out. Progress, stocks and trade, car, house, land. If you're not see them something there, please, you ain't speaking to me. And as I say, I don't name Tamara Samuels and then Mrs. Nunes. So entire address me by my last name. I wish the ambition over hype. We don't want the media hype. No one can jump in my vehicle and drive for anyone here go. That's what I'm thinking right now. And that is my story time. Be careful of the friends them who you call friends. And your friend today is your enemy tomorrow. Your friend today is your enemy tomorrow. And trust me, I didn't say anything where she ever go up on the media how much days and I crash out and pray and fuck and dash a bell. No, baby girl. You were on the media spilling your guts. You were on the media speaking about your son, saying that him have harmony balance and the son of Batman and my son of fish. No, under your care, your friends them molested your child and you did nothing about it because you were busy buying sex from man and selling sex to man, which in you have big man who give you money and you take your money and spend it on a younger boy. And when your kids them go to school, you don't even want to buy a pair of shoes for them. You rather buy it for your man. Remember your big son, he ate you one time when you buy your third son of shoes and he never have nothing to put on in front. But you never come talk about that on the media. You never talk about that. You never did ever talk about that. So you leave all the good things them and pretty up things and try to play victim and everybody's against it. Every friend want to carry you down. Now if I did there with my son, them father stay man there in Jamaica suffer, he would have been friend, they would have come from the media come try to me down. No. And if I never own my vehicle, if I never married, you would not send me a live on there, shadow when everything when me do, you not do it. Because I know you never go back to school. You're not that type of person there. I'm going to go back to school. I have my certificate them, I have my business license, I have everything that makes me an independent, strong woman. And I'm never backactive as my husband who did it for me. But you want dear come speak and open your sinful curse mouth against my marriage. But who are you to see the man to tickle your clit? My husband is a man. He might tickle my clit. And he's doing a wonderful job. But because you want them type of you are that type of demons, you don't like to progress. You don't like to nobody have nothing. You don't like to anybody elevate. You want to come tell me about my past. Stay down there. Living on my past. Picture 10 down there and don't come out. Because you're alone down there. Big up yourself. Big up you. Circle your ex them all around Jamaica. And see if you can get this a land title. And build a nice house. Do like good pussy door. Do like that we take all our people them out of Jamaica. Everybody in America. Big up good pussy door. Door me call up your name on my vlog. We fuck with sense. We take 40, 100 man. Me and her. We are focused, but we have something. We take flights. We not sit down on people name. Only day in Jamaica stuck in the sand. And you sit down there every day. You got care man. And you couldn't make a change. You couldn't be a different person. You gone right back at First Street. And take back your post. Big up you. Big up you. Me? Try vote right now. Big up you. Shavana Spurs. Yes, something there about you know me I do my story time. I walk up and down. Yes, and my story time is be careful of the friends you keep when you're younger. And your friends today can be your enemy tomorrow. And when when your friend becomes the enemy, them try to tear you down in every way. So my story time is to all females and all ladies out there, be careful of who you call friend. Because you might simply say something not intended for them to interpret it the way them interpret it, but because of the hate and the grudge and the envy and the jealousy and the bad mind of them have against you, them interpret it for them way, and then them crash out and them just talk about things, and then them make it seem as if, oh, and you are try bring them down, and I you this and I you that. So for them bring down and I bring down, but if you say something, you are bring them down. And that's called hate and envy and bad mind, but them not see it. Them gonna see what you do and what you say. Right? And me live in a Belize from 2023. And now it's 2025. And me can tell you say what me achieve in a Belize from 2023 until now, them still not accomplish that them lifetime. I tell you. So when them dep on the media, them a crash out, people send me the video, people call me, even from England. And them ask me if I know that person. And I'm like, what? Jaja. And the person say, every day she live by your name. And I'm like, okay, it don't matter to me. Because at the end of the day, me live in a Belize. I'm happily married. You understand me? I'm a move on with my life. I'm leave Jamaica. I'm live over here, so I support the people in business. I didn't have them ready? Them not done? Okay, well. So when me look on them, I realize say, as the fact that me reach on the level where me depart, that is the reason why I should behave the way I should behave. Come I tell you, if me did in Jamaica, she wouldn't even dare think for run that joke there with me. I tell you. Because them know my style, you know. Anyone I buck them have, you see the big talk when them have, me not asking, I tell you no. All of them what they on tictoc and them attack a bag of thing. Me and them know. So if me did there Jamaica, anything or anything, and me know them no bad. Me know them no bad. Come, them just like make a bag of nice, especially that individual person. But there was situation why, because as I'm tell people, me not address the situation, you know. But what really kind of just make me look on it in a different level and say, that are your son, not your daughter, you know, your son. And you just have this narrative, my Batman son. I call him, you wake up, you're there for an drop asleep. Why you try to force him for lie? Why you try to force him, help me bring down your auntie. And nobody no come out of this whole narrative and say, come on now, like, you genuinely try to prove a point on the lady, but check my record. Go up on all of my media platforms, and I cap about my life. You see, when me never have it, I hold my own like a jailer. And when me there Jamaica and they run them, trust me, the struggle was real. I work on Roots 96.1 FM. I'm a stay on the radio station and call she cute boss and big her up. She know the type of man I'm take. Me walk and take gunman. Me no walk and take gunman. Me never walk and take no gunman. Yes, me make some wrong choices in my life. Nothing wrong with that. No girl can tell me about my past. No girl can ever say me go back road go sell my body. None of them. I know me not take half of the amount of money with them take. Them say me fuck off Port Royal. Port Royal is the littlest parish in Jamaica. And them take Portland, Westmoreland are the biggest parish them there. And them know that. But story time, as I may say, be careful of the people them you associate yourself with. Because you see, as long as them see you try strive in a life, and them are the one that's a lucky thing. From 2019, I left Jamaica, I look back on because people hear on the story and think I just last year. You know how long I left Jamaica? From 2019. And I come now and make it look like say last year and at 6 months I may try delete my past. Me have a right for delete my past. Me have a right for delete my past. Me have a right and you could tell me nothing different. And you can't tell me what the best man for me, miss. The best man for me, the best man me ever taken in my life, there's nobody to compare, is Mr. Nunes. And him are the best man for me. You don't know what is love. Phone lover when man chop out on the head side with gun. And that you call love. And that you call love. That's not love for me. You understand me? Love is when my husband, he speaks to me with so much respect. And he put me in a soft girl era there. You know, see me now, cause. You know, sister, me I speak story time and me now cause and I sweat and a vein and stand up in my head front. Because when my husband, pull it from me, baby. When my husband saw the video, him say, why is she so upset? What you do her? Me say, me not do her nothing.
No, what is?
What's that? Oh my God, why you just buy that?
You don't want it?
It tastes sweet.
Right? That's sweet. That's my favorite.
Wipe off her foot, answer by her.
Come.
See there? See the answer? Yeah. My husband I fear wonder, what me do we have a past where you hate me? Because he must say, why should I behave so? What you say about her when I'm going to watch a video? I'm like,
Come. Come.
but me not see nothing in that video for you should I behave so? I wish you meet by you live in our shadow. You're not in Jamaica. I'm going to say, baby, I saw them stay. When I tell you I come from a small garden, a bitter wheat, that's what I was talking about. I've been around people who, fuck, you would wonder why them behave the way them do. They're very hateful, they're very vindictive, and they will do everything to make sure so them tear you down. I saw them realize that God now allow them come with so much negative energy, and that is the reason why I left Jamaica. People in our bellies, the reason why I left Jamaica is because Jamaica make you rough and bitter and want for war, and me can't deal with that, so I had to move. I had to like leave because of that. That's my story time. Them always make me, some people always make me feel like me did that overthink, and them always make me feel like me I exaggerate, or them always make me feel like what me I say me wrong. I know me right, you know. I guess it me know me right. Nobody can make me see my right and give it away. And as I said, the story time now is about be careful with people them where you go around. It's about being around people who say you bad mind them, but in a feed them actions, tell you where you need to see. You don't have to do them nothing. You don't have to say nothing. You just want to just be you and progress and things start going for you. And you just say, hey, I hear you jealous of them. You're living in them shadow. You're there over there, so you suffer and nothing are going for you. All of that you go hear. But yet still are you bad mind them and are you jealous of them. And you not say nothing pertaining to that, you know. And them are going to tell you how much money you take and how long you fuck the children and fuck. All along, you thought that they mean you good. Maybe you are the problem. Trust me. And that's how I felt living in Trenchtown, trying to fit in, and I realized that's not the place for me. And even the man I live with for how long, because when me know them, when me actually know them first, them are talk about them don't know me when me have my daughter them. And that's them stories just so lie. Them meet about my kids them. Because when I have my kids them are uptown me live. You understand me? And when I live uptown, I go different places go live. So when them attack, them know me from there and Antina, that's such a lie. Them know me traveling with my kids them. And before me even know them, me then Arima and me live with my two son and father. Will beat me go and beat me come. I can't have no friends, I can't go nowhere, I can't do nothing. The same person who up on the media crash up my son and father beat me with oars not to talk to her. I remember that vividly. Just because I talk to her, you know, just because I go down the road and sit down and talk to her, the man run me down and give me some liquor. I run go into the house and fly underneath the bed. And the man use one hand and threw me attacking a girl. My son them father cruel. Girl, I run underneath the bed and girl named Sandrine, aka Angel, aka Short Boss. cute boss or whatever she want to name. My son and father never want me talk to her. I sit she up on the media so she tear me down and fuck her. My son and father the best man ever there with that girl. My son and father give me a piece of beating if I talk to that girl there. Beating. When I say beating, run me down. I use hose and when him a lick me, I fly go underneath the bed. And the man use one and cause him thick. So my husband look, him thick same but him have a hunch in him back so him thick. And him look a bit shorter than my husband. And I run go underneath the bed girl. And think the man that done and the man use the one and I lift up the bed and go so whap, 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 whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Wheel all over my face like just because of that girl there. If you not to be friend with her. And when me and him broke up, they actually got friend her. And you see them time that when me and him break up, me drop on my face, people, me broke like dog, me hungry. Cause remember him I work with the always them and him always a take care of me. One night time when my son about 3 years old, me I got ages in school and when the man find out to me I ages in school, the man stop send money from foreign come give me. The man literally stopped send money. I couldn't go to school, you know who helped me? My friends and me I go to school with and my teacher. Big up Sharon and big up Miss Dells at Crossroad. The best just in school ever. And when my son and father stop give me money, them give me bus here. And when I go them buy my patty and them something there. And I saw me finish. Before me end the video, I go show them my certificate. I'm serious to them, I go show you know. I never know she. I never know. So chat about Chadwick and no girl. I never know him. I live with my baby father. What beat me not to talk to you? The same friend where you say you are my friend. I don't understand how your mathematics go and where you get your story them from. When me know you all of my opinion them at 13, 12, 14. When me know you my opinion them are 13 hours. 15. So, me not understand what you're talking about. What are you talking about? When me know you my kids them big, I'm there with my son and father, and me end up break up with him. And him, the same man where I take is the best man for me, the best man we ever take, whoever love me, will breed how much woman for me. Me live with him at 5th Street, him have a baby mother at 4th Street, and him have a baby mother at 3rd Street. And that you call love for me. And them type of friendship down offer. Young ladies out there, listen to me carefully. Listen to your parents, yeah? Because you see the friend them want to see out the road and everything glitter is gold. It's not everything. And then every friend a friend. And then everybody mean you good. Because you see the moment God start bless you, because when you never have nothing, you know, them are your friend. Because them can laugh off of you and say them give you and what them do for you. But the moment God start blessing you, you are them enemy. And you are nobody. And you fuck. Little girl, stop it all. As I'm speaking. Anyways, them are going to tell you, oh, this is where you come from, you have nothing in the body, and you go like say you're better than them. Me did get it before, me never get it like this. Yeah, I'm going like I'm better than people, I'm going like I'm going like me this, I'm go a big university. Go be a work at Roots 96.1 FM, me left them right at 1st Street to them at chat people, and come see them at chat people there so. Them never yet go back to school for them left school. Never. Me go back to school. From I know them, all them do is work a bar and sit them and chat people and talk about sex and have sex. That's all me know about them. I never wanted that for my life. I wanted more. So what you're saying to me is that I must not achieve anything with life. That's the only way I can be your friends. That's the only way you see me as somebody. But the moment I move out, fly go overseas, make a better life, you have done me on the media, you going to bring me down 40 days and 40 nights. Because I want a better life. A true goodie. And I made a piece of my story time at Miss, what's your name? You don't mind me put it on my camera.
Me? No, I'm Charlotte.
Charlotte. And the name of your restaurant is?
Flavors of the Past.
Okay, so I'm stop at, where you call the park here?
Memorial Park.
Alright, Memorial Park. I'm going to decide to get a soup. So I give her a promotional video because I could have just strong and eat the soup and go, but I say no. Whenever I stop somewhere in a Belize to get something to eat, I'm going to give them a promotional video because as I'm living here, I'm getting to know the culture and I'm also giving back to the society. Hold on, there's somebody I call me. Who's that calling me? My husband just called me a while ago.
Where he said you are taste out all the food them.
All of them. She watch my video. So she watch my video on YouTube. Somebody said my dad bellies are suffer. Somebody from Jamaica we were supposed to be friends. But you may leave Jamaica and travel go other places go live. Now my come a Belize, I'm live a Belize, I'm find a nice man. A nice man find me, married to me. I'm live here.
You live here now?
Yeah, I live here from 2023.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So I did do one video one time with one girl. She asked me how was it living here, and I gave her my honest opinion. And some of Belizean people them say I true, some say I lie, some say me I try to tear down the country. One only for controversy it start. However, I saw the girl on Jeffrey's podcast called Toxic Talk. I'm say her for the next podcast with another Jamaican man named Tulax. She said on the podcast that she a termite, she a queen termite. And she fuck on how much man she fuck on. So when the people don't when I was speaking to some of my girls and I say my one man and 5 backup plan to rub them away. So what I was trying to explain to them is that it don't make no sense to have a bag of man and it not benefit you. Right? Because I know people who's like that. And some of them get money but them not spend it properly. And then when them in them 30s now, oh, me just a so good. Oh, me just a this and I see them up on the media crash out and I get what I say I put on a front. Them have a lot of followers on TikTok and you know them Jamaica run TikTok. Jamaicans run TikTok. So them up on TikTok and them attack a bag of things. So me say, yo, like I never expect that. Worse, that person there have a son. The son go across the border. He's a game. She come on the podcast, so our son a Batman and I mean in my mind I say I never expect that from her. I think they take it too far. You understand me? Anyways, somebody must see a clip of the video when I call her name. And she gone on TikTok every day she do live and I rub me out and fuck me at go let me at deny me pass and I'm like, but I have a right to delete my pass. Cause tell me now, mums, you are this person at 20. When you reach 30, you feel like you're mature and you grow, you evolve. You're not gonna want to do the same thing. You get what I say?
Yeah.
So if I know what it's like to be with man and where you want from them nag you and you end up have to break up with a man then they speak to another man and it's like your life I go up on the same cycle. Would I encourage young girls to go do the same thing?
No.
You can't look on the young girl man dump and fuck and you can't put a trust in another man and them man are wicked. So why are they with man? You have to be a role model to the young girls and not to make the same mistake you make.
You make, yes.
They should go come for me that's how I pass and I delete my pass. Me supposed to delete my pass.
Yeah.
I am. I think I do have a right to read. God is my potter. He write my script. And it's my life. You can't come and tell me how me feel live my life. Now me married, she go say, I true me not find a man for touch me clitoris yet. Am I not married to a man? Remember me are the same thing. Me are focus. May that make sense?
No. She tried.
Speak ill over my marriage.
Yeah.
She's not happy because I'm married.
Rub things in your face. You know, because I mean you uplift.
But the same thing I say, I elevate, I move from my past. So the only thing, she not talk about me living here, my husband buy me a nice vehicle. She go tell me, say, my son them father who physically, emotionally, mentally abuse me is the best man for me. Make that make sense.
Huh?
My son and father use hose and beat me if you don't talk to she. She will tell me say that is the best man I ever take.
Huh? She not in her. She don't have her right faculties together.
And that's the same thing everybody say.
She
And you
don't.
should never see me on the media. I do vlogging, which is TikTok pay money, but if you go up on TikTok and go put on a show and perform and disrespect anybody and we are the next friend, right? Well, we are friend together, sit down and talk and laugh and everything. And she disrespect that girl so much me hear. Me never go up on the media go fast. Me just, you see that part of my life there?
Skip.
Me just delete that.
Yes.
You know the girl dropped down and dead in another area? The next girl?
Wow.
Dead. And she never got a girl funeral. And the house that she and the girl living in, she gone back at the house now go live. So she the type of friend who come to kill, steal and destroy. No weapon
She's
of
worse than Shaitan. Wow. She is the Satan.
no weapon that form
Now
against you
tongue
shall
that
prosper, and
you
every
come to-
tongue that rise up against you shall put a condemnation. When I see the girl dead, I couldn't believe it.
So she just dropped down and dead.
Drop down. And then she come for the next friend because she want to kill me too. Everybody all about her come and say, Tamara, you no clue boss, you no clue boss. And you're like, what? A one whole week and fuck and fuck and fuck. And remember when they used to fuck and if boy you know fuck for money, she'll call her son with the America. I tell her son say to help her tear me down. So, my story time today is be careful of the people them who you associate yourself with.
Yes.
That's my story time today. Because today say your friend,
I like that, miss, because it's true. It's true. Be
today say your
careful.
friend, and tomorrow say your enemy. Shall tear you down for the whole world to see. But them can crumble what God build. Them talk about God, but them no fear God.
They no fear God.
Them gonna talk about God and here I know how me have a spiritual cleanse. Them could have tricked me. Frank thousand people against me and my husband.
So you did this yesterday, miss?
Yesterday,
Right here, I believe?
Belmopan.
Belmopan.
Mrs.
Okay.
Nunes. Yeah?
Because I live in Belmopan, but I just relocated
Okay.
here.
I was in Belmopan yesterday.
Okay.
Right across from the immigration office. So how it is right there, so? Oh yeah. Coping with the relocation.
It's slow, but you know, I just have to give thanks and praise because you know this is how I make my lead. You know,
$2,
living, you know,
yeah.
my $2 and thing, you know.
Yeah.
At least it helped me pay rent, it helped me, you know.
Yeah. Things can only get better here.
Yes.
I like the soup though. Now Belly's I get soup with the rice. So I eat beef soup. God, nice. Girl,
That's the thing with some of we women. We don't want to see each other. We don't want others get uplift themselves.
no.
You know, and you know they think about your past. You know, and yes, your past. When you young, you was not. You know, you was not.
Thinking 100%.
Yes, and it's like as you grow and you experience things, you grow older and you experience things and you went through challenges in a life. And not only that, you see people go through challenges in a life.
Mommy,
You know? So who is you to
It's a bit-
talk down?
you see because I travel, I realize that life is not what it is when they're one place. Because people don't understand when they left out of Belize, they go against different nation,
Yes.
different culture. So when I talk about the two culture clash, the difference is people take it on the next way. A lot of Belizeans take it offensively. The way the food is and you know the difference and everything. I mean I try to show them say when they're ignorant.
Yes.
Cause two different cultures. Never grow up Belize. It's just an experience.
Yes.
And your job to make me experience Belize good so I can talk good.
Yeah.
Cause I come and make it, I can say no. The soup that tastes good. If it not taste good, what you want me to say? It tastes good. You see what I show you?
Yes.
So them a blame me for speak what happened to me. No, it's your job to make sure say just as if you have your child and the child grow big and them say, oh, was the mother? My mother was a good mother because you treat the child good. But no, you don't want to treat the child good, you want good mother title.
Yeah. Yeah, true that. You are a good mother title and you never did treat the child good. You know. And now
You want
the
good
child,
wife role, but you never was a wife.
you never was, yeah.
You want to be good friend, but you never was a friend. You see? Me now look. Them couldn't trick me. You can't trick the whole world like me. Them tell me I have to find a Belize. Every time I see my black, me I eat. One thing was certain and two things for sure. I'm always a drive. I'm always in a good clean house. My cousin left on my bed not too long. I spread my bed a while ago. I spread my bed a while ago. I just run out of your house. Food tastes good.
So this page you miss, you post something every day?
Every day.
Every day. So how I will be able to see your post every day? I just go on YouTube.
Yeah. It's supposed to come back and subscribe.
Oh yes, okay, yes.
So you subscribe. So it will come up by your page.
For your page. Okay.
So when I drop it today, you're going to see this vlog we do right or so.
Okay.
So later on, you go hear yourself and see yourself at your restaurant. Well, I go look for my husband right now.
Okay.
Yeah, he just call me a while ago, so I go pull up
Have
on
some
him.
toothpicks right here.
Thank you, baby. Should I give me a toothpick to take out the beef out of my mouth? One put through this, mommy.
Huh?
Rub it down right
That's
there.
right there.
Okay, baby.
You're welcome.
I message you a long time. She said the one I do have the advertisement for her or something. She said she will pass back right now.
Everybody pull up on my husband, I just stalk him because I'm my man. Start my good husband.
That's awesome.
So this is the ending of my vlog and a little bit of story time. Be careful of the friends them where you want to keep. You feel watch your friends where you smoke with or run joke quick and then quick we cut your throat quick. The only friend I'm in love I don't want up above. Keep it closer to me like a job and try big up yourself. Must have to check the music thing. The woman son my husband. You know. What the job I did I want you. What is that say look so officer Wagwan? You're there for the Gaza. What? Yo, fuck, man. Officer, come and lock him up. I will lock you up. Fuck, man. I could just lock him up and charge him. You understand? Yes, I want to stay on the street. Them over there, so I'm me over here, so. You know? Eh? The last edge, some catch by the edge. No, sir. Hey, but I lie, life nice. You know how people hate me. So while them feeling and them head stand up, watch me over here, so. Whoa. Kiana, I need to come do my nails. Anyway, this is the ending of my vlog, and as I said before, be careful of the people when you go around. Rasta! I will say happy life, right there. So it's good to be married to a man who loves you and ain't gonna cheat on you. We's not gonna beat you. Yeah, we are. Look, girl, why you happy so? I mean, make you happy? Eh? Kiss me. Mwah, mwah. That is it, though. Anyways, this is the end of my vlog. And as I said before, be careful. When you're young, you make wrong choices. When you reach a certain age, have certain experience, cut out that man. Not going away. You understand? So when you're not here, pink here.